Women are known to seek attention by any means possible, using all available resources and ideas. Women are very insecure and emotionally weak. They are always unsure of themselves. So in order to feel better, they look nice or seductive and put themselves out there, either in pictures or in real life. This process gathers enough compliments from men, which in turn boosts their ego and self-confidence. The process a woman uses to gain these compliments or attention is called baiting. This is a manipulation tactic that girls have mastered and are using on men. The sad news is that most men fall for it. Once a man falls for this trick, he has handed over his power to her. If 50 men falls for this trick, it means these 50 men are now powerless in her eyes because she has attained the power of 50 men. This is where their ego comes from. This is why they feel they are better than men, because most men have given away their power to a woman so cheaply. This is why you should know when a woman is baiting you, and also know how not to contribute to her ego boost. Another scenario where women use this baiting method on men is on social media, where it is now very easy for them to put their pictures out there in the ocean of men. So when a girl is bored at home, she puts an effort to bait guys on the internet by posting naked pictures, or in some cases, even normal pictures, to gain a reaction from the pool of men. A clear example is when a guy is trying to gain the attention of a girl. They talk for a couple of days or weeks, and she suddenly withdraws from the guy and stops talking to him, or declines his advances. What high-value men do in this scenario is also withdraw their attention from such a woman. Once the man withdraws his attention from her, she notices that he is not talking to her or making any effort to reach out to her. This is different from what most beta males on the internet do. A beta male will continue to chase her, even when the woman clearly tells them she is not interested. These same beta males have contributed to the inflated ego of women by giving them free attention. So once a woman notices that a guy did not act like a beta male when she stopped talking to him and is not putting an effort like the beta males, she comes with her bait. She uploads her most beautiful or sexy picture to get a reaction from you. They want to see if you will come talking to them again after seeing their recent picture. That is a bait. Sometimes she still doesn't want you, but just wants to feed her ego. That is her baiting you. Please do not fall for it. If a girl refuses your advances, mute her status and treat her as if she doesn't exist. This is the only way to beat them at this game. You should know when a woman is baiting you to get a reaction or attention from you. Women are very manipulative and great at it, so the only way to beat them at their game is to understand it and remove yourself. Once you notice it, be wise. I hope you learned something new today. See you in our next video.